This is how we can install Ingress NGINX service using the k0rdent catalog instructions. We have a k0rdent instance with a single child cluster running in AWS. We can export the child cluster kube config and running workloads using any Kubernetes client. We don't have any service template installed so far as we can see in the k0rdent UI in the service templates view. We can check it in the terminal using the Kubernetes CLI command, kubectl get service templates. Let's install the Ingress NGINX service template directly using the k0rdent catalog content. First, copy the installation command directly from the catalog install tab in the upper section. Once the service template is installed, we can see that the item added in both places using the kubectl get service templates CLI command and in the k0rdent UI service templates view. Now we are going to deploy Ingress NGINX service using a k0rdent multi-cluster service. There is a valid example config on the k0rdent catalog page, so we can just copy and apply it to our k0rdent instance. We can also check that the multi-cluster service object was added in the k0rdent web UI view. In a few seconds, we should see the services being deployed to our child cluster. And we can see the item in the k0rdent web UI multi-cluster service view was updated with ready status. You will also see the AWS child cluster was properly assigned to the multi-cluster service object.